Hello, Kim here, helping you understand how to do these videos a bit better. So hopefully you've downloaded the tapping protocol. If you haven't, do that. When you're done, go ahead and start today. But you're going to use something called the 4-point technique. And the 4 points are massaging your ears, rubbing between your eyebrows, rubbing on your hand between the thumb and index finger, just like so. It can be on either side. Meridians are all balanced on both sides, and that's what we're doing. We're activating meridians, which in turn talk to your limbic system, your inner child, your subconscious. The 4th point, it's rubbing up and down on the shins. That one's going to be a little difficult while you're watching the videos. Now, in the video, I am not present. The video is a hypnotic scene with music, and you'll see numbers come across the scene. Don't worry about focusing on the numbers. The numbers are set intentionally in there to increase the vibration, right? And that's what we're working with. We're working with frequencies of your genes, of your body, of the emotions that you're holding on to, of the old impacts that you need to release. That's what we're working with. And so when you set the intention by rubbing on your hand to talk to the limbic system, or rubbing between your eyebrows, or massaging your ears, and you watch this video, you allow yourself to change. You're giving yourself permission to make the changes that you need in order to facilitate the healing that you need to become the person you were meant to be. Happy, healthy, abundant, prosperous, loving. That's what we're looking for. So during the video, you may notice yourself yawning, burping. You might notice gas. You might feel pain coming up. You might feel relaxation. Any of these things, acknowledge them. If you have pain coming up, acknowledge it and give it permission to release. If you're yawning, allow yourself to yawn. If you're burping, allow yourself to burp. If you get to the end of the video, which each video is 3 to 5 minutes long, that's it. If you get to the end of the video and you're still yawning, start it over again. Keep doing it until you feel the okay, I'm done. Go about the rest of your day. That means you're grounded, you're locked in, your body has released. Okay? So I don't recommend doing more than one video at a time, but as you get more and more aligned, you may want to. But don't do that right now. That's for later on. I don't even do more than one video at a time, and I've been doing this work for a long time. All right? So I hope that helps you. Hey, shoot me an email if you have any questions. Feel free. Do that for yourself, because if you have a question, I guarantee there's a lot of other people that has that question too. So we might as well get it answered for everybody. All right, thank you very much and enjoy the videos.